I think the PLA in China are the most advanced in their testing. They're in the second phase of their clinical trial. So essentially they have a vaccine that they know is safe, and they're in the large second phase trial. They've got 500 people in it, which they're trying to work out whether it's efficacious. And if it is, then they'll go into a mass production phase and larger trials over a large number of people. I think it's very unlikely our government will buy that vaccine from China or accept it from China. It is, a feature, quite a negative feature of our response in Britain to this has been ignoring a lot of the lessons of other countries, China, but not only China, also Korea, on the basis that our science is superior. But there's an underlying business reason as well, that if our large pharmaceutical industries produce a vaccine which is viable, they'll make a great deal of money domestically and internationally from selling it. So I think vaccines will be available. I think the Chinese are likely to be there first, but many other people around the world will produce, probably independently, and will probably have several vaccines on the market, I imagine, towards the end of this year. But these things have an extended timeline, and it's hard to pin down exactly when it will be. I have seen people, for the reason that, medicine, the selling of medicines, the pharmaceutical industry is such a multi-billion-dollar industry, people are very distrustful, and there's increasing kind of feeling of an anti-vax campaign even around this issue. But I must stress that vaccines are effective, that a vaccine will protect millions of people who haven't had the coronavirus. But I think there's no way out of the fact that we need much better basic health measures of adequate testing, adequate contact tracing, and keeping those who have the virus protected and isolated from the community who don't.
Put me down for a Chinese vaccine and include me in the demand for the nationalization of the pharmaceutical industry.